The Power Around Us, a Journey of Energy and Conservation. The morning bell echoed through the halls of Evergreen High, signaling the start of a new week. Inside Ms. Chen's science class, Elara and Noah, two keen students, settled into their seats, buzzing with anticipation. Today's topic, the power around us. Ms. Chen began. Everything we do, from charging our phones to lighting our homes, relies on energy. But where does it all come from? Noah raised his hand. My dad says a lot of our energy comes from burning coal and gas. They're called fossil fuels, right? Ms. Chen nodded. Precisely, Noah. These are non-renewable sources, formed over millions of years. While they've powered our world for decades, their supply is limited, and burning them releases greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. Elara frowned. So they're powerful, but they hurt our planet? That's a key point, Elara, Ms. Chen affirmed. But there's hope. We have renewable energy sources that are naturally replenished. Take solar power, for instance. Giant panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. It's clean, abundant, and doesn't produce harmful emissions. Noah's eyes widened. Like the solar panels on the school roof? Exactly. Ms. Chen beamed. And then there's wind power. Towering turbines, like massive pinwheels, harness the wind's kinetic energy to generate electricity. Imagine the sheer force of nature, transformed into power for our homes. Elara imagined vast fields dotted with these majestic structures. They look so graceful, she mused. Another incredible renewable source is hydropower, Ms. Chen continued, showing them a diagram. Dams built across rivers use the force of flowing water to spin turbines, creating electricity. It's a consistent and powerful source, though it does require careful planning to minimize environmental impact. Noah leaned in, fascinated by the intricate design. So, renewable energy is cleaner, but non-renewable is still widely used, Elara summarized. It sounds like we need a balance, and a big shift towards things like solar and wind. Ms. Chen nodded. You've grasped the core challenge. Transitioning takes time and investment, but it's crucial for a sustainable future. Every choice, big or small, matters. And that's where energy conservation comes in, Noah added, connecting the dots. It's not just about how we get energy, but how much we use. Ms. Chen smiled. Precisely. Turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging chargers, using natural light. These simple actions at home and school make a huge difference. Even factories can optimize their processes to use less energy. Think of it as the 3 R's of sustainability, Ms. Chen explained, writing them on the board. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means using less in the first place. Reuse means finding new purposes for things instead of throwing them away. And recycle means processing materials to make new products. How do the 3 rupees connect to energy? Elara pondered. Well, reducing electricity use saves coal or gas. Reusing water bottles means less energy for new plastic. Recycling paper saves trees and the energy needed to produce new paper from scratch. It's all connected, Noah exclaimed, realizing the broader impact. Even choosing durable clothes and sharing books helps save resources and the energy to create new ones. Ms. Chen concluded, every single one of you has the power to make a difference. By understanding where our energy comes from, choosing renewables, and practicing the 3 rupees in your daily lives, at home, at school, and in your future workplaces, you become champions of a sustainable world. The future of our planet is in your hands. Elara and Noah looked at each other, a new sense of purpose shining in their eyes.